Hi everybody, welcome back for another fun project at the Reading Public Library. So today, I'm Ms. Ross from the Reading Public Library. We're going to do a solar bug. A solar bug is something that moving with the source of light, okay? This project wouldn't be work if you using a direct sun by like flashing by the window because it's not like direct sun right away. You have to go outside and then you have to put it under the sun.
Oh,
I
so
have a question.
I have a question.
Yes, Miss Joey.
So the direct sun charges
Yes.
whatever it is that you're going to make, right?
Yes. This
Cool.
direct sun with the charts. You have probably wondering if it's a cloudy day or a rainy day, snow day, will it work now? You need a sun for make to this project work. Okay? So what you need is first thing first is you need a copper tape like so. Okay? So this is a fancy one, but you don't need a fancy one. Amazon has a lot, but anything works. And then you need a double tape. If you don't have a double tape like this, you can foam. You can use any kind of tape that also works. And then this is like a solar panel. This is a tiny one. You don't need a big one. So what is a solar panel? So this is actually pretty cool. If you look inside, there's a two-sided to it. So the first side is like black, solid black, and then the other one has like negative and positive, and we'll do something with it. And then you also need a glue, scissors, usual stuff, and you need a diagram like this. You can find it online, but whatever you like. Have a stack beetle, and then we have a ladybug, and then we have a motor like so. First thing first is you have to take your solar, okay? There's a black sided one that have a plastic on it. You have to uncover the plastic once we are done. Okay, like so. Okay, just pretend that we already uncovered the plastic. Like this. Okay. So take it out. And then we're not going to do anything with this side. We are going to do with the other side. Okay? So you see there's plus and minus sign on there, right? Okay. So what we're going to do is correspond to a plus sign. So you take your battery over here and then you peel off the stickers. Okay. So right, and then you put it in the middle like so. Here. Oops. Okay. All right, see there's a positive sign and then there's negative sign. The positive sign is the blue one. You see that the blue cable there? Okay. Positive sign goes towards the positive side, and you want to bend it over like so. And then the negative one is the red one, and then you bend it over to the other side like this. Okay? All right, so the next step is you're going to take your copper tape like this, okay? And you don't need much, probably like just like a little bit of strip, okay? And then you're going to peel it. Okay, peel it like so. You probably need a little bit to cover the positive charges here. And take your scissors and then cut it down. So, and then do the same thing with the other side, the negative side. You put the negative charges over here neatly. Try the best you can. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, you just have to put it neatly like so. And then you put the copper tape on the top for the cable. Okay, so you go. Okay, and then you take your scissors and cut it. Okay, so you should have something like this. Okay, it doesn't need to be perfect as long as the positive sign goes towards the left, to the right, sorry, and then to the left. Okay, then you take your double-sided tape.
Looks like a piece of gum.
It does. Okay. Alright, then put it like this. And then take another one. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to tape it over the bugs that you chose, either the ladybug or the sack beetle. In this project, I'm going to use the ladybug. So you put it upside down like so. So this, the battery one facing down. So, okay. So then the black signs over here, the solar panel, will face up. So what's next we're going to do is we're going to put these googly eyes on the top. You don't have to, but if you're fancy to do so, you can do it. So make it like a real bug. So you glue it a little bit. You can color your ladybug if you like. You don't have to, but just make it like colorful. So. Okay, like this. Put it like that. I don't know. However you like. You like. Right, and then you can cut along the diagram like so. But if you don't want to, that's also fine. And then this would not be work indoors, as I said before. You have to bring it outside. I don't have sun over here now. Then if you bring it outside and it's a sunny day, and then you can make it work.
You let it charge in the sun, and then what will it do?
It will like move by itself. So yeah.
That is very cool.
Yeah, you can test it out. I mean, it should work. I mean, I haven't done it outside, but it's what it says. It should work.
Okay.
So yeah. Anyway, so I hope you have fun with this project. Stop at the library, at the main library. I have a limited amount of this project that you can do at home. It comes with the instruction too. So it's only one kit per family, and then yeah, you can have fun with it. So all right, until next time, I'll see you guys.
Your hair looks fantastic. Beautiful. Go ahead.